It's kind of cloudy today. I can't actually see the screen right now, but I can see the reflection of this. I'm reading this today. Today is not the sunniest, and I am also wearing jeans instead of shorts, which I'm regretting right this very moment because it is getting so humid and the sand is so warm, and I'm wearing jeans and I can't take off my pants. So it's really hot, like really hot. Guys, it looks like it's gonna rain. I wonder if I should go home, but also the beach is making me so sleepy and I don't want to go home. Hello. Apologies in advance if my voice sounds really nasally. It's because I've been sick for the past few days and I still am sick. My nose is really congested, so that's why it sounds like this. I cut my bangs, so yeah, we have bangs now. I think I look just like when I was in middle school. But yeah, I don't really like it, so I might just like clip them apart. But yeah, for the next couple of months we're just gonna work with this and see what comes with it. Also, I wanted to update you guys on the book that I've been reading, even though nobody asked for it. If you don't really care, then you could just skip ahead. I don't know why, but I had my pimple patches in here as a bookmark because I couldn't find my original one. But anyways, I'm currently on page 111, like about halfway, and so far I have to say I've been very disturbed by the narrative. It is very much from a male gaze point of perspective, and I do not enjoy reading it just because I feel like the narrator and also just the general crowd, they put the sisters, the Lisbon sisters, on such a high pedestal, and they're obsessed with them and they idealize them into these kind of mysterious, pure, angelic creatures rather than human beings. Oh my god, I feel like my nose is getting really bad right now. But maybe it's done on purpose to have an unlikable narrative. I don't know. Okay, but right now I just want to find out what happens in the book. It just made me feel very uncomfortable the way that this was written, and I just feel like they're such stalkers, like these little geeks in this school who are obsessed with them. Maybe that's why this is only a cult classic. I doubt that I would change my mind about the narrative in the second half of the book, but we will see. That's it for the updates so far. I woke up so early today at like 8:30 without alarms. My phone died yesterday. Apparently I fell asleep with it opened because when I checked my screen time, it said it was like active throughout the night. We're going to a cafe to do some work. I want to read up on some papers. I might also bring my book with me to do some reading. So yeah, no, I kind of don't like this t-shirt, so I might change because I feel like gray, once you sweat, it's so obvious.
What you said before the future makes our minds up before us. I don't want to see you fading, so can't you stay?
I came to see this exhibition that I really want to see, and I think the end date is sometime this week. I think I saw the artist's artwork before on Instagram as ads, like if you would like to purchase. And I found out he has an exhibition here, so we're gonna go check it out. Like no one's here. I hope I am going there. We're here. Oh my god, I love this. The exhibition, like the space, is actually very big, but then there's also 3 staffs, like they're just sitting at the reception desk, and it's so awkward because I'm the only one that's there who doesn't work here. But look at his, okay, let me switch the camera. I don't know what style this is, but I really like the vibe. It's like very experimental, whimsy, and I feel like a little bit of sci-fi and surrealism. I also saw this one online. Now that I look at it in real life, it looks a little creepy in real life. Like, then the picture I saw, the balloon or whatever thingy is inflated. It's a little creepy. Oh, I didn't see this one. But yeah, these are office buildings. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go. It's so hot outside. I just want to go back home and just rot in my bed. So I am currently in school because I came to finish up on, hold up, my hair is driving me nuts. I came to finish up on my experiment. I have to wait, so I went down to Pacific Coffee. I saw like they have this new matcha sea salt cream cheese foam whatever thing, and I was like, ooh, could I get that please? I don't know why I thought there was going to be coffee in it. There isn't, and it's just this tall glass of just milk with like a really thin layer of the matcha foam. They wouldn't even let me change it to oat milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so like it's literally just milk at the bottom. I feel like I'm just really angry right now. I'm in like so much pain because of my cramps, but at least the sea salt foam kind of tastes good. And I'm gonna finish up my experiments soon, and hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully. For dinner, we're gonna go to Shenzhen for some hot pot today and maybe some drinks. But yeah, we'll see. We still haven't figured out the exact plan, but we're definitely getting hot pot. Also, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit behind on my editing schedule, so please bear with me. The moment of truth with this. I also took out my pimple patch. Because I don't know, it was kind of getting on my nerve and I tried to ignore. She's just texting me. Hold up, let me reply.
I don't know, all the ones coming from here are taken. It's pretty chill.
We just finished eating.
For 2 hours.
Yeah, we ate for 2 hours and it's 10 right now.
I'm so full. I think I drank the juice too fast.
Really? Chugged it? Yeah, we're gonna head out to a bar soon. We found this rooftop bar. But then we did the calculation. If you're gonna catch the last train, we only have 30 minutes to train. So
Maybe the taxi would be faster.
you think? Because just now when we checked, there's gonna be traffic jam. Why does it look closed? It's all that way, that way. Oh, here. Damn it, this is someone saying. Should I I dare you, go.
点上来你们喜欢听的歌啊，对我们点歌都是免费的啊，对。
Oh, do I have to speak up? They're smoking it too.
稍微休息一会儿吧。我们时间我们的上课的时间的话，一直是。
It's like 10:53 a.m. right now, and I just bought my first camcorder. Like I just got it. So that's like super exciting. Also, I broke out a little bit, like these two here. I feel like my face is still super puffy right now. I'm gonna try this French restaurant called Babette. I've always wanted a camcorder. I was doing research all night. I stayed up till like 3. I think it's a good purchase. I definitely know that I'll be using it a lot, and if you guys are interested, I'm probably gonna do like an unboxing video. I wanted to show you guys the camcorder that I got. Ta-da! There she is. She's really small and tiny and compact, but this is the Sony HDR CX220. And yeah, I was super excited the other day when it arrived in the mail. I didn't have time, like I didn't film an unboxing, but I've been taking it out to kind of do like test clips, so I'll put them at the end of this video if you guys are interested. So I was thinking I might also do like a little review video maybe, or as part of like a camera collection video. What else? Ta-da! Isn't she so cute? Let's see this. This is Handycam. So cute. Oh. And then yeah, I'll probably talk more in depth about it in another video. Bye. Bye. I am all ready now. This is the fit. I have this, but I don't wear glasses. Strictly an accessory. I feel like maybe I should have done something to my hair. It's so frizzy. I should probably leave now if I don't want to be late. So See you guys later at the restaurant.
Ryan Little.
Es absurdo intentar